The use of mobile wallets is expected to hit high double-digit growth in 2020. In 2016 alone, there were over 174 million active mobile money accounts in the world. In addition, international remittances, merchant payments, and bulk payouts are the fastest-growing products within the sector. Led by Africa, the mobile wallet has become a powerful tool of financial inclusion in the absence of traditional financial infrastructure. To tell us more about mobile wallet remittances is President of Western Union Global Money Transfer, Odilon Almeida.
Africa is a market that really came directly from cash to mobile wallets. I think mobile wallets really capitalized on the idea that there is not like a very strong credit card culture to really go straight to mobile wallets.
Western Union has responded to this trend by fostering alliances with mobile network operators in Africa, Asia, and Latin America, enabling cross-border money transfers into wallets from the US, Europe, and beyond.
The Western strategy is to tap into the markets that are well developed. So our job is not to develop the mobile wallet, but really tap into developed mobile wallets.
Sending and receiving remittances has never been easier, and mobile wallet capabilities are set to go beyond borders.
As an officer of Western Union and a board director of Millicom, it was very unique, the experience of seeing mobile wallet from inside of an operator and at the same time understanding the cross-border opportunity of it. So linking those two, I think it's a phenomenal opportunity. I think would be safe to say that mobile wallets will become more relevant in the world going forward.